This video, I'm gonna be making GTA 6 in 1 minute. Why GTA 6, you ask? Because it's my game and I can call it whatever I want. But how can I make GTA faster than an entire game company like Rockstar? Well, it's because I'm obviously better. So I opened up Unity and made a new project called GTA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I added a cube, made it a long boy, and this is the ground. But something doesn't look right. There's no trees, buildings, or even roads. So I made all of those. And by made, I mean stole from the Unity assets store. Yeah. And now GTA 6 is starting to look really garbage. Beautiful. But the game doesn't have a player yet, which means you can't play the game. Because you need a player to play. So I added a bean to be the player when I realized that this bean doesn't look anything like a GTA character. I mean, I guess the bean does kind of look like him. Get it? Because Mr. Bean. So I went back to the Unity asset store and found something called the human character free sample pack. Yoink! Just like that, we have a player, but the player can't walk around yet. So I wrote some code for that, which did I mention I wrote like by myself without any errors, like by myself. So now that I've spent a whole minute making GTA 6 by myself without any help, I think you should subscribe and turn on notifications because we're closing in on 5 million subscribers. Or 5,000. I pressed the make game button and oh crap, I accidentally made Minecraft from scratch. This always happens. So after making some changes, I gave it this amazing icon and let's see how it looks. This is so bad. I mean, this is amazing. Download now, gamers. Okay, I'm walking on water. Trust me, I promise you, this is a feature. This is not a bug. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, cut that part out. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. Cut that out too. Yeah. Cut all that. Wow, this game is so amazing. It's so much better than GTA 5. But don't take my word for it. Let's ask some beta testers on my Discord server. By the way, join the Discord server, link in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to ring the like button and subscribe to the bell. Oh, wait.